Okay, good morning. It is now, what are we, April, what?
6th.
6th. All right, April 6th. And this young lady sitting next to me has undergone a surgical procedure about a week ago. And we did your surgery, and the reason I'm wearing a face mask is because the CDC just announced yesterday that, the public should wear cloth face masks, so that's why I'm wearing one. I'm not sick or anything, and neither is this young lady here next to me, but she did have surgery 5 days ago. You had the Deuk laser disc repair on your back. And why did you have the Deuk laser disc repair? What was your problem?
A lot of back pain to the point where I couldn't barely walk.
And then you also had that right leg
And the right leg pain.
pain and weakness, right?
Yes, a lot of weakness.
So, because of the herniation, the herniated disc in her lower back, we did Deuk laser disc repair surgery. And that surgery cured her back pain, right?
Yes.
Do you still have the back pain?
I have no back pain at
It's
all
gone.
right now.
It's cured.
It's gone.
Are you on powerful pain medications,
No.
narcotics? Do we give you like morphine and opium and all that?
Nope, nothing.
Nothing,
I'm
right?
good.
So off the pain medication, no back pain because the Deuk laser disc repair cured the back pain.
Yes.
We did one disc herniation, right?
Yes.
L4-5 was it?
Yes.
L4-5. And also the weakness you had in your foot. I remember I checked you in the recovery area and your strength was back, right?
It's better, yes. A lot better.
So, are you happy you had the surgery?
I'm very happy.
All right, good. And what are you going to do now that your back pain is gone and you're recovering, and what kind of things you want to do?
I want to enjoy my life again, walk, and enjoy playing with my grandkids.
That's important.
Yes, it is.
How did the pain affect your relationship with your grandkids? How did that affect your interaction?
Just not being able to play with them and do stuff and bend over and just even do any kind of activities except sitting down.
Because it hurt.
Because it hurt too much.
And then they would see grandma in pain.
Yes.
And how did that make you feel?
I felt sad.
Right?
Yeah. Because I felt left out.
You lose your
Because
dignity.
they're very active. Yes.
Because you can't do the things that grandma wants to do with the kids. That's really what it's about, isn't it? I mean,
It is.
people with chronic back pain, like they know what they can do to ease the back pain and kind of prevent it from coming, but what that is usually sit around and do nothing.
Yes.
And so this condition, this herniated disc with back pain, chronic pain, it really robs you, in my opinion, robs you of your dignity because you can't do anything in life. You rely on everybody else to take care of you, and you're always the person sitting out, watching everyone else.
I'm not like that. I'm an active person and I don't like sitting still.
So what would you say to people out there with herniated discs that are living with pain?
Definitely come see Dr. Deuk.
Thank you, Deuk
Definitely.
Spine Institute.
Yes.
And would you recommend just treating that pain with medications the rest of their life, or get
No.
it fixed?
Get it fixed. I was nervous at first, but I'm glad I did it.
All right.
Very
Well,
glad.
I appreciate you being willing to share your story. Is there anything you want to say to the rest of the world out there?
Just be safe.
Be
and
safe.
Come see Dr. Deuk.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll see you in 5 weeks from now and check on you again, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.